In this tutorial, we will be taking user input and we will be printing if that is an even number or an odd number. Okay, so first, let's take the user input as we did in last tutorial or last exercise, and we ask enter number here. So this will be shown and this will take the input. Once we have the user input, we need to convert it to int. By default, whatever the user has entered here is considered to be a string, that is characters. So what we do is create a new variable and convert the user input to int. And then what we do is we need to divide it by 2 to check if it is prime or not. So we use the modulus operator, that is number modulus 2 equals to 0. So this is checking if the number divided by 2 has 0 as the remainder. So if the remainder is 0, that means that we have an even number. So we print the number and then we print is even. Else what do? We print number and we say is odd. This is it. This is how we can check if a number is input or if the number is even or odd. Let's run this and let's see what happens. So our file is running, and here, as you can see, you have this prompt, enter number here. Let's enter 15, and it is saying 15 is odd. Now this time, let's run this again, and let's try to enter an even number. So let's enter 98, and as you can see, it is showing 98 is even. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.